Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to explain the angle snapping feature and how to use it and how to set it up on your SteelSeries Rival 3 Gen 2. So firstly, let's open the SteelSeries application. Open Rival 3 in the Engine tab. And cool, here as you can see we have our angle snapping. So angle snapping is also called like path correction, so it's a setting that helps your mouse pointer move in straighter lines. So if you set angle snapping to a lower as you can see, it turns it completely off and your mouse movement will be more raw and true to your hand movements. So it's just like you move your mouse, but if you enable it to the max, so if you set angle snapping to higher, so the software will just intervene more, I don't know, maybe aggressively. As you can see, my lines now are really straight. I can move it ideally up or down. For example, in normal way it moves really in different way, right? But when you turn this to max, your lines are really just straight, right? So for drawing it maybe could be good, but sometimes I expected that sometimes you can just pass your Cloudflare protection worse with this mode, because just Cloudflare sometimes reads your mouse movements, and natural movements are more different, like straight lines, right? For example, it's difficult here to draw 8 on your screen with straight line correction. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.